So I'm going to record the shifting in my 2005 Elise to compare the stock shifting to the Innokinetic ShiftR111, which I purchased but haven't installed yet. But I wanted to look at the way the shifting is before, so we can look at it before and after. So actually my shifter, I've never really had a lot of complaints about it. It's pretty tight. I did install Stan's mod, which is a stiffening an extra bolt that attaches to the floor. So a lot of complaints about finding gates. This shifter actually finds gates pretty easily. Really had any problems with missing a shift. There is a spot in between gates, but it's the same as every shifter. So in first, so we'll play second. And it's always about the same amount of play. Maybe a centimeter. And it finds the cross gate really easily, and reverse actually works really well too. And you can see when I move back and forth, there's a little motion in this in the console, but actually after the stiffener mod, it reduced it quite a bit. So that's the before.